Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the main principle of Jainism that emphasizes non-violence towards all living beings? Is it A. Ahimsa, B. Karma, or C. Dharma? It is A. Ahimsa. What is Tibolone therapy used for? Is it A. Testosterone boost, B. Menopause relief, or C. Fertility treatment? It is B. Menopause relief. What famous Incan citadel is located in the mountains of Peru? Is it A. Machu Picchu, B. Chichen Itza, or C. Petra? It is A. Machu Picchu. What type of instrument is a xylophone classified as? Is it A. Percussion, B. String, or C. Woodwind? It is A. Percussion. What is heliotropism? Is it A. Flower rotation, B. Plant movement, or C. Leaf response? It is B. Plant movement. Which significant battle in 1775 was one of the first major conflicts between British troops and American colonists? Is it A. Battle of Saratoga, B. Battle of Lexington, or C. Battle of Bunker Hill? It is C. Battle of Bunker Hill. What is the capital city of Jordan? Is it A. Amman, B. Beirut, or C. Cairo? It is A. Amman. What discovery in 1848 initiated the California Gold Rush? Is it A. Copper, B. Silver, or C. Gold? It is C. Gold. What is the name of the famous street circuit that hosts the Monaco Grand Prix in Formula One? Is it A. Monza Circuit, B. Silverstone Circuit, or C. Circuit de Monaco? It is C. Circuit de Monaco. What is the primary objective in alpine skiing races? Is it A. Perform tricks, B. Descend a course, or C. Cross-country navigate? It is B. Descend a course. What famous foot race in San Francisco is known for its costumes and party atmosphere? Is it A. Ironman, B. Boston Marathon, or C. Beta Breakers? It is C. Beta Breakers. What is the largest species of land animal in the world? Is it A. Asian elephant, B. African elephant, or C. Giraffe? It is B. African elephant. What historical event in 476 AD marked the end of the Western Roman Empire? Is it A. Fall of Constantinople, B. Battle of Hastings, or C. Fall of the Roman Empire? It is C. Fall of the Roman Empire. What is the capital of Norway? Is it A. Copenhagen, B. Stockholm, or C. Oslo? It is C. Oslo. What is a primary characteristic of thermoplastics? Is it A. They are biodegradable, B. They can be melted and reshaped, or C. They conduct electricity? It is B. They can be melted and reshaped. What song by Olivia Rodrigo became a breakout hit in 2021? Is it A. Driver's License, B. Good For You, or C. Deja Vu? It is A. Driver's License. What beauty platform is James Charles best known for in relation to makeup tutorials? Is it A. YouTube, B. Instagram, or C. TikTok? It is A. YouTube. What type of pasta is traditionally used in carbonara? Is it A. Spaghetti, B. Penne, or C. Fusilli? It is A. Spaghetti. What type of service is Vimeo primarily known for providing? Is it A, video sharing, B, photo editing, or C, music streaming? It is A, video sharing. What is the capital city of Estonia known for its well-preserved medieval architecture? Is it A, Narva, B, Tartu, or C, Tallinn? It is C, Tallinn. What large island is shared by Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei? Is it A, Borneo, B, Sumatra, or C, Java? It is A, Borneo. What does bone marrow produce? Is it A, nerve cells, B, blood cells, or C, muscle fibers? It is B, blood cells. What is a roll cloud commonly associated with in meteorology? Is it A, shelf cloud, B, dust storm, or C, tornado? It is A, shelf cloud. What is the shape of the base of a cylinder? Is it A, triangle, B, square, or C, circle? It is C, circle. Which Russian historical site is the center of the country's government? Is it A, Winter Palace, B, Red Square, or C, Kremlin? It is C, Kremlin. Which championship title did Israel Adesanya win in the UFC? Is it A, middleweight title, B, lightweight title, or C, welterweight title? It is A, middleweight title. Which band is Billie Joe Armstrong famously known for being the lead vocalist of? Is it A, Fall Out Boy, B, Blink-182, or C, Green Day? It is C, Green Day. What fashion movement is Vivienne Westwood primarily known for influencing? Is it A, bohemian, B, minimalism, or C, punk? It is C, punk. What event sparked international outrage and was linked to the sinking of the Lusitania in 1915? Is it A, passenger deaths, B, submarine technology, or C, naval blockade? It is A, passenger deaths. What is a pandemic? Is it A, local epidemic, B, global outbreak, or C, seasonal flu? It is B, global outbreak. Who is Greta Thunberg? Is it A, politician, B, scientist, or C, activist? It is C, activist. Which hit song is The Chainsmokers known for that features the lyrics, "So baby pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover"? Is it A, Roses, B, Something Just Like This, or C, Closer? It is C, Closer. What key ingredient is primarily used to make traditional salsa verde? Is it A, tomatillos, B, bell peppers, or C, avocado? It is A, tomatillos. In which critically acclaimed horror film did Anya Taylor-Joy play the lead role of Thomasin? Is it A, Emma, B, Split, or C, The Witch? It is C, The Witch. What type of music ensemble is referred to as a trio? Is it A, 3 musicians, B, 4 musicians, or C, 5 musicians? It is A, 3 musicians. Which global health crisis caused widespread lockdowns and economic disruption in 2020? Is it A, Ebola, B, SARS, or C, COVID-19 pandemic? It is C, COVID-19 pandemic. Which chemical element is represented by the symbol Zn? Is it A, xenon, B, zirconium, or C, zinc? It is C. Zinc. Which football club does Kylian Mbappé play for as of 2023? Is it A. Paris Saint-Germain, B. Manchester United, or C. Real Madrid? It is A. Paris Saint-Germain. What type of software development does Xcode primarily support? Is it A. Web development, B. Android applications, or C. iOS applications? It is C. iOS applications. What is Vienna known for being the capital city of? Is it A. Austria, B. Switzerland, or C. Hungary? It is A. Austria. What type of luxury clothing is Brioni primarily known for? Is it A. Shoes, B. Suits, or C. Accessories? It is B. Suits. What is the capital city of Kenya? Is it A. Kisumu, B. Mombasa, or C. Nairobi? It is C. Nairobi. In Greek mythology, what type of creature is Lamia known to be? Is it A. Monster, B. Goddess, or C. Hero? It is A. Monster. What was the main purpose of the Oslo Accords signed in 1993? Is it A. Trade agreements, B. Peace between Israel and Palestine, or C. Environmental protection? It is B. Peace between Israel and Palestine. What is the primary cause of ocean acidification? Is it A. Oil spills, B. Plastic pollution, or C. Increased carbon dioxide? It is C. Increased carbon dioxide. What is a binary star system primarily composed of? Is it A. One planet, B. Two stars, or C. Multiple moons? It is B. Two stars. What is the main subject of the Hulu series The Dropout? Is it A. Bill Gates, B. Steve Jobs, or C. Elizabeth Holmes? It is C. Elizabeth Holmes. What is the primary function of a transistor in electronic circuits? Is it A. Amplification, B. Insulation, or C. Transmission? It is A. Amplification. Which championship has Marc Marquez won multiple titles in? Is it A. Formula One, B. MotoGP, or C. NASCAR? It is B. MotoGP. What type of cloud is characterized by its fluffy, cotton-like appearance and often signifies fair weather? Is it A. Stratus, B. Cumulus, or C. Cirrus? It is B. Cumulus. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.